Umnyango wezamandla namagugu ambiwayo umemezele ukuthi izonyuka ngendlela emangazayo intengo kaPetrol ohlobo lwe-93 kanye ne-95 njengoba izonyuka ngo-146 cents. Bese kuthi yodizili inyuke ngo-48 cents ilitha, uparafini wona ngo-121 cents ilitha.
We have seen the very high oil prices during the period under review, mainly due to the situation in Ukraine and also the fact that OPEC and non-OPEC members did not increase production to meet the increasing demand.
Ukwenyuka kwentengo kaPetrol kuzosikhahlameza kakhulu izisebenzi bese kuba isizathu esifanele sokucela ukukhushulelwa imiholo. Inhlalo ibuke izomba eqolo njengoba nentengo yogesi enyukile nje. Umqondisi esimo Advisory and Consulting uKashin Masimula uthi ukukhuphuka kwenzalo yemali imboleko kushaya kakhulu abathengi.
We are going to see disposable income of consumers declining because when interest rate rises, they are unlikely to be spending more, or they've got lesser what they had a day before the interest rate were hiked, and as a result, demand will be lower. So it's a double whammy where we will see ultimately the entire economy suffering.
Inhlangano automobile ithi lokhu kuphwa kwentengo kaPetrol kuzoshaya kakhulu wonke umuntu wakuleli. Osomnotho bathi impi eqhubekayo phakathi kweRussia neUkraine izoletha ingcindezi emanani kawoyela ongahluziwe.